Is weight loss surgery your best option? Let us find out. There is a good chance that you have heard of weight loss surgery before. Weight loss surgery is how many individuals lose weight. Although weight loss surgery has helped thousands of Americans lose weight, improve their appearance, and improve their health, weight loss surgery may not be for you. When it comes to determining if weight loss surgery is right for you, there are several factors that you will need to take into consideration. One of those factors is your current weight. Most of the time, you will find that weight loss surgeons require their patients to be at least 80 pounds overweight. If you are not as overweight as recommend, you may not even be able to undergo weight loss surgery. If that is the case, you should keep in mind that there are several different weight loss approaches that you can take. Speaking of alternative weight loss methods, have you tried any other approaches? Many individuals can successfully lose weight with healthy eating, exercise, and weight loss products, like diet pills. While some individuals opt for weight loss surgery right away, others only use it as a last resort. Although weight loss surgery, like gastric bypass surgery or lap band surgery, is more than worth it, you may be able to lose your excess weight without having to spend a large amount of money doing so. Another factor that you should take into consideration when determining if weight loss surgery is right for you, is your health. If you are overweight, have you been noticing any other health problems, or has your doctor outlined the importance of losing weight for your health? If this has happened, you may not have a choice when it comes to undergoing weight loss surgery. For some individuals, weight loss surgery is, literally, life-saving. As it was previously mentioned, two popular weight loss surgeries include gastric bypass surgery and lap band surgery. While there are additional weight loss surgeries that you can undergo, these two are the most popular ones. The surgery that you would like to undergo is also important when determining whether or not weight loss surgery is your best option. For instance, gastric bypass surgery requires the stapling of the stomach, whereas lap band surgery involves an adjustable or removable band. When deciding which weight loss surgery you should undergo, your decision will need to be made in conjunction with a healthcare professional. When examining weight loss surgeries, you will find that most surgeries reduce the stomach pouch size. For that reason, your ability to follow all instructions given to you is important. After undergoing a weight loss surgery, like lap band surgery or gastric bypass surgery, your healthcare professional will likely request that you develop yourself an exercise plan, as well as eat healthily. You must follow all advice given to you. With weight loss surgeries that involve the reduction of the stomach pouch, overconsumption of food can be harmful to your weight loss, as well as dangerous to your health. The above-mentioned factors are factors that may help you determine whether or not weight loss surgery is right for you. As a reminder, it is important to remember that weight loss surgery is not your only option when looking to lose weight, but it is a method that you should explore.